subscribe to Eckovation, and press the bell icon to watch the latest technology videos first.
Welcome back guys to this fantastic tutorial presented to you by Eckovation. In this video we are going to continue with our Dapp development. Our Dapp is doing basically simple stuff, that is setting the name of the instructor and getting the value. So we had connected it to the Web3. Our smart contract is also running on the local Ethereum network. So now let's start interacting with our smart contract. The moment I click on this submit button, I'll make type button, not submit, because I'm not submitting a form, I'm basically submitting the data to the blockchain. So the moment I click on this button, my data should go to the blockchain, name and age. So let's do that. There's no method post or get here. We are not dealing with centralized databases, we are dealing with blockchain database. This is a submit button. Let's give an ID to it, submit. So basically here I'm going to use jQuery, submit. When I click the submit button, I am going to send name, that is name and age of the instructor, comma age. But this I'm going to send it to the set instructor function. Here we have the set instructor function, this function, which is taking two parameters. If you check our smart contract, this is the set instructor function, which is taking two parameters, name and age. So we have to send this name and age to this function. So we will say instance dot set instructor, where we are going to send our name and age, and from this account, this is the account that is going to send the name and age of the instructor, web3 dot eth dot accounts 0, and we'll mention the gas limit as 30,000. That's the gas limit, not the gas. After that we'll have a callback function with error comma result, a promise basically. So if we don't have an error, you will use a pop-up success, and if there is an error, we will keep a pop-up alert, something is wrong. Okay, so this is all you have to do. So this is our blockchain. You can check whether it's running or not. Yes, it is running. There is a syntax error, line 57. Now it's fine. So I hadn't closed this function. It's better you always close it. That's better practice in development. So let's try to send some data. Bikram, age. Okay, so age, password, type is text, not password. Something went wrong. So there is some issue. Let's see what was the problem. So let's make gas from 30,000 to I think 300,000, and let's try again. Wiki 55. So now we have the success message. That means we are able to store the data into the blockchain, in our private blockchain. You can see the transaction getting executed here in block number 17, and this is the amount of gas that was being consumed. You can see the transactions here as well. So coming back to the form, now let's display our data here, but we'll be only be able to display by clicking a button. So let's keep a button, or basically you don't need that. You can also directly call it from here. Instance dot get instructor from web3 dot eth dot default account, gas is 300,000, and function error comma result. So if we'll just copy this logic here, if no error, we are going to input data in this container, okay, in the details ID. So for that we'll write hash details and dot html result 1, the first array, which is basically going to be the name and age, which is going to be the second index of the array. So you can see wiki age 55. So if I enter Salman age 45 success and then refresh the page, you got Salman. But this is our basic tab where we are storing certain amount of data and displaying it on our HTML interface. So this is what you will give to the end user. Ganesh, age will be 88, success. And you can see all the transactions happening here. This transaction just happened here in block 19. So every transaction is creating one block only. In one block, we have only one transaction. This is how the local private network works. In the next video, what we'll do is we'll deploy it on our main networks. Not main networks, but on our option network, and we'll see how the transaction looks. So for that, you need to install Node.js. Make sure you have Node.js installed in your system. You can install this version. This is better, so let's go for the 10th version. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Till then, see you guys. Bye.